In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, sign into your Hostinger account and navigate to the website builder for the site you want to publish. You'll land in the editor where you can make final visual and content checks. Take a moment here to confirm that images, text, and links look right, because once you go live, visitors will see exactly what's published. Next, if you haven't already upgraded your plan, do that now. Hostinger requires a suitable hosting plan to publish a live site, so make sure your account includes the plan that supports publishing. If your current plan is limited to previews or a development environment, upgrading is necessary before the Publish button will work. When you're ready, look in the top right corner of the editor for the purple button labeled Go Live or Publish and click it. That action submits your site changes and triggers Hostinger to push the files live. After you press Publish, you'll often see a short confirmation or status indicator confirming the process has started. If your site was previously set to a Coming Soon page, you'll need to disable that mode from the main Hostinger dashboard, sometimes called the H panel. From the dashboard, locate your website entry and turn off Coming Soon or Maintenance mode. Then return to the website builder and publish or update the site again. This is an important step, because the Coming Soon setting can override your published content until it's turned off. Once the publish completes, Hostinger will provide a preview link. Click the link, and it will open your newly live site in a new browser tab so you can inspect it as a visitor would. Walk through your pages, test forms and links, and confirm that images and other media are loading correctly. If anything looks off, go back into the editor, make adjustments, and publish again. If you've connected a custom domain, be aware that DNS propagation can take a little time. In many cases, changes show within a few minutes, but sometimes they can take up to 24 hours to fully propagate across the internet. If your domain doesn't resolve immediately, give it some time and check again periodically. That's it. Publish from the editor, disable Coming Soon if needed, and verify your site with the preview link. Follow those steps, and your Hostinger site will be live and accessible.